how you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have a play about the chicken.
No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle to.
Hello good people, welcome back to my channel. Tatiana Westco here. Today, as you can see, I'm looking ratchet and rugged. I'm gonna be styling my Allove hair. So we're just gonna get straight to the point. So I did a lot of plucking and tweezing to this unit, but you know, it's still looking, you know, cute or whatever, but I think I'm gonna cut into it and layer it up and stuff like that, just, you know, so it can frame my face, because I really was just wearing this hair straight for some time. So obviously you see that it does look like it was being worn, and I actually was wearing it because I feel like that this is a very like low maintenance wig, and it's really one of those wigs that if you don't really want to do the frontal, you can just throw a hat on and you can guarantee that, like, you know, you're not gonna look dry. Everybody has those wigs, those hat wigs that you just put a hat on and be like, look, I'm not about to lay nothing down. As long as the hair is looking good, I can run out the house. It looks full, but I feel like it's a good density for an everyday wig. It's not like you have to do too much to it to make it like work for you. Tweeze the unit and it looks pretty good, so not mad at it. Get this together. They do have a sale going on, so make sure you take advantage of that if you're looking for a unit for any occasion that you may have coming up. Is anybody else ready for fall? Like, I do want a little breeze, but you know what breeze comes with extra shit that's coming in our future later, like snow. If you can get a wig that's a 13x6, I would suggest you do it just because you have a lot more parting space. So like if I start parting it over here, it stops right here. It stops right here, and then it starts becoming the construction of the lace. Goes to right here. So you have about this much. That's why I consider it a 13x4. So I'm just brushing this out. I don't think it's necessary to have to put any serum in this hair, just because this hair is quite on the less dense side. This is how dense it is. This is really nothing. I can really cut this into a bob. With this, you can just throw in a few curls to avoid you feeling like your hair isn't as dense as you want it. You can just go in and cut into it. I'm gonna lift up so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So here's the hair before I cut into it. I feel like, you know, it's a good length. The ends aren't dead or anything like that. The ends are really, really nice. So I don't have a problem with that, but I just wanna go in and kind of like frame my face and shape things so it can look a little bit more fuller in the middle. And then I'm gonna start working on layering, just so if I try to, you know, do layers on a flipped situation, stuff starts becoming uneven. So it looks like it's already like a little cute little layer right here, but I'm gonna take it higher and then rake it down. I'd rather my hair look full with body than long with looking like I don't got nothing going on, you know? You have some kind of, you got some kind of life going on with your wig. Everything up and out, and then I like just going in with my scissors upwards, trying to get some more layers in this area. Longer layer, just so it doesn't look like it's just one layer back there. So same right here. Any pieces that I feel too long. So I feel like it's looking good. So that's that. And I want this to still be long in the front, but I do want to add another little situation. And I'm gonna time lapse it, speed it up, and I'll be back when I'm done.